Hello kids, good morning to all. Welcome to the English class. In the last video we have read Golu and Molu were best friends. One day they got an invitation from Bhim and they decided to visit him. They had to pass through a forest to reach Dholpur. On the way they saw a bear. They got frightened. Molu, who was thin, ran to a big tree and climbed it. Poor Golu was fat, he could not climb up the tree. Before starting the reading, I will discuss some new words with you. First word is quickly. Quickly. Quickly means fast. Next word is sniffed. Sniffed. Sniffed means smell with nose. Next word is trust. Trust. Trust means believe in. Now it's reading time. But Golu was clever. His grandmother had told him that bears never eat dead animals or human beings. So he quickly lay down on the ground holding his breath. Kids, write down the meaning of quickly. Quickly. Quickly means fast. Fast. The bear came near Golu. He sniffed his face and body. Kids, write down the meaning of sniffed. Smell with nose. Again I will repeat. Sniffed means smell with nose. He thought Golu to be dead and went away. When the bear had gone away, Molu got down from the tree. I saw the bear talking to you. What did he say to you? The bear told me, don't trust Molu. Kids, write down the meaning of trust. Believe in. Believe. Trust means believe in. He is not your friend. Molu felt sorry to have left his friend alone when in danger. I am really sorry, my friend. Kids, I will explain you the following lines. Kids, Golu was clever, so he quickly lay down on the ground holding his breath, as his grandmother had told him that bears never ate dead animals or human beings. The bear came near him and sniffed his face and body. He thought him to be dead and went away. In the meanwhile, Molu got down from the tree. He asked him what did the bear had told him. Golu said that the bear told him not to trust Molu as he left you alone in danger. Molu felt sorry for his mistake. Now I will discuss cross questions with you. First question is, how did Golu save himself from the bear? Answer is, Golu saved himself from the bear by laying down on the ground holding his breath. Next question is, what did the bear do after coming near Golu? Answer is, the bear sniffed his face and body. Next question is, what did the bear think after sniffing Golu? Answer is, the bear thought Golu to be dead and went away. Next question is, why did Molu say sorry to Golu? Answer is, Molu said sorry to Golu because he left his friend alone in danger. Now kids, let's recall the chapter by doing one exercise, that is, who said to whom. First sentence is, I saw the bear talking to you. Answer is, Molu said these words to Golu. Now next sentence is, what did he say to you? Answer is, Molu said these words to Golu. Now next sentence is, I am really sorry, my friend. Answer is Molu said these words to Golu. Now kids, we will do one more exercise in which you have to complete the line. Now first line is the villagers admired dash. Answer is the villagers admired their friendship. Next line is the forest was dash. Answer is the forest was full of wild animals. Next line is Molu felt sorry to have dash. Answer is Molu felt sorry to have left his friend alone in danger. Kids, read this lesson again and revise word meanings also. Thank you.